Howdy y'all, well I'm just sitting here and in the car, and I just actually left the place where you buy metal, and I'm just looking at some of these trucks that are going by. Look at that thing. Probably can't even see it. But anyways, um, so I just left the place that sells metal, and I got some prices on metal that I'm gonna need for the project I want to build, and I talked about the project a couple videos ago, and since then I've got a couple people asking me if I'm gonna go with that, and the answer is uh, half-ton extended cab long box 2-wheel drive. Why? But no. A couple people asked me if I'm going to go with that project, and the answer is yes. I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to do, okay? And I want you guys to leave me honest ideas about it. If it's a bad idea, tell me. If it's a good idea, tell me. If there's parts that need improved, tell me, because I want to make it good, and I don't want to screw up, on metal that I bought or whatever, right? So, what I want to do, we have the 3 barns of pigs, and we have to carry buckets of corn to each barn, okay? So I want to make kind of a trailer frame out of angle iron, probably just start with the hitch up here that hooks to the 4-wheeler or whatever, and come back probably a foot and a half, and then have it go out on each side and make kind of a triangle, and then connect the 2 parts that go out so it is a triangle, okay? And then have a bar run from the point where the hitch hooks up to the triangle, or where the ball hooks to the triangle, down to the bottom, and that'll be the frame of the trailer, right? And then just throw some thicker rod iron underneath there, and tap and die the ends, and then I can slip some probably old lawn tractor tires on there, and then just bolt them on. That's how they do it on lawn tractors. A lot of times. Then I got my frame, okay? And then I want to take some sheet metal. I'm thinking probably 16 or 18 gauge. 20 gauge would probably work, but I don't know. Just take it, and I want to make somewhat of a box, okay? I want to make a full base of sheet metal with sheet metal on the frame. It'll probably be probably 3 feet wide by probably, I don't know, 2 feet long maybe, or yeah, 2 feet long, and maybe 2.5 or 3 feet long maybe. So have that full base there on top of the frame, so you can't see the frame anymore, right? Then what I want to do, I want to take some sheet metal and go up the sides, the right and left side, up the sides, probably, I don't know, 3 feet again, and then go in on the inside of, there. I'm gonna be welding this all. I'm gonna be welding all this. Go inside of the frame, so you got your base here and you got the side going up. So go here and take a smaller piece of metal. I don't know what the measurement would be. Take a smaller piece of the metal and put it in between there, so it makes almost like a joist, but it goes at an angle like this, okay? Do that on each side, and then put the front and back on, so make it a box, and then that'll be probably just about it, really. Then go on the back of the trailer. Oh, someone's getting repoed. But then go on the back of the trailer, so the opposite of where the ball would be. And on the bottom of the box, cut a door, probably, I don't know, 8 inches by 8 inches maybe. Cut a square 8 by 8, and then put that square on hinges so it can flip up, right? And then make some kind of locking mechanism where I can lock it shut, or even make it to where it swings side to side like this, and then you can adjust the flow of the corn when it falls out better. So the idea is I can dump International, probably a 64, probably missed it. But the whole idea is I can dump my corn in this trailer, tow the trailer to a barn, put the bucket down, and then let the corn fall out through that hole in the box into a bucket, right? I think it'd make everything a lot easier. That's the idea, anyways. So, the slanted walls, not whole walls, but the slanted walls in there would make it so there's a better flow, So you got all of the corn going down in there. Now I could, if I had enough metal, I'm kind of on a budget here, but if I had enough metal, I would, which I might not, I don't know. I would make it to where there's another sloped edge on the front wall closer to the hitch, and then it flows from both sides and the front down towards the door, right? But, that takes metal, and I don't know if I'd have it. But for sure, those two angles on the side. So that's kind of the idea. Why would you get a Mega Cab Dodge 1-ton with a short box dually? Why would you get a short box dually? I don't understand it. That's ugly. But no, that's kind of the idea I have here. So I want you guys to tell me, if it's a good idea or not. The whole weight of it will probably be pushing 90 or 100 pounds. A 4x4 or a 4x8 sheet of 18 gauge sheet metal is 70 pounds, or that's 70 pounds, he said, plus the angle iron. So, Chevy, probably a 78, half-ton long box, 2-wheel drive. But no. So the total weight of the trailer, empty, you're probably looking about 100 pounds, which isn't that bad. The lawnmower or the four-wheeler will tow that really easily, so no problems there. Plus corn, I'm looking to be able to put 150 or 200 pounds of corn in it. So y'all let me know what you think, if I can do anything better. And yeah, thanks for watching, and remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.